The best TradingView Oscillator to use depends on your trading style and market conditions, but the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, remains one of the most effective and widely used tools. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements on a scale from 0 to 100. Typically, readings above 70 indicate overbought conditions, signaling a potential price reversal downward, while readings below 30 indicate oversold conditions, suggesting a potential upward reversal. Traders can use RSI to spot divergence, where price moves in one direction while the RSI moves in the opposite direction, often signaling weakening trends and upcoming reversals. Another powerful oscillator is the stochastic oscillator. It compares a particular closing price to a range of prices over a specific period, giving traders a percentage reading between 0 and 100. Values above 80 signal overbought conditions, while values below 20 indicate oversold conditions. The stochastic is especially useful for spotting short-term trend reversals and works well in ranging markets. Combining it with RSI can provide additional confirmation before entering a trade. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a versatile oscillator that calculates the difference between two exponential moving averages. The MACD line crossing above the signal line can indicate bullish momentum, while crossing below signals bearish momentum. MACD also helps traders identify trend strength and the potential for continuation or reversal. On TradingView, these oscillators can be customized to fit different time frames and asset classes. For intraday trading, shorter settings are often preferred, while longer-term trades benefit from standard or slightly adjusted settings. Using these oscillators together, or in combination with price action analysis, can help refine entries and exits, reduce risk, and improve overall trading performance. For traders seeking simplicity and reliability, RSI combined with stochastic or MACD offers a balanced approach, capturing both momentum and trend strength efficiently, making it the best oscillator setup for consistent results on TradingView.